In tutorial 11, we're also going to be taking a look at the item pickup. And to start off with, let's go ahead and take a look at our design for the item pickup. Over here, if you notice, we've got our just basic description. The idea behind this is that we want to create a script that's going to allow us to select any type of item, like a coin, a mushroom, like a grow, or an extra life, and be able to use that, assign the script to it, and then be able to have options for what it is, its value, how it can be used. So what we have right here, we've got our basic enumeration type, similar like we've done before. For this one, we'll have one that's going to be for our grow, extra life. We'll go ahead and add in key, just in case you'd like to add that to it, and you can add the functionality behind it, as well as the coin, the fireball, and some game time. Alright, so with those, in addition to it, we're going to need to create a basic variable to be able to call up our enumeration, and we'll be able to set to it. Also, we'll have some pickup values. Again, this could be like if you're going for a coin or you're going for points, you would be able to actually set what the value or the worth is for it. In addition, we'll add a few extra things like sound effects and particles for these, so that when the player collects it, it'll leave behind a little particle effect and a sound effect. And then also we'll have a few other things just to consider. Is that what we've been putting together at the moment has been like several different scripts. We've got a script assigned to the character, we have a script assigned to the HUD, and now we have a script assigned to the objects for pickup. All three of those have got to start working together. Alright, so what we're going to do is start pulling those things together. Part of our access that we need are going to be the player properties. So if you remember, player properties are part of the character. So we'll be calling up those, and we're going to be calling up the HUD item as well. That way we can pull all three together and make them all work. Alright, and in addition to that, in order to make sure that the object is actually recognizes the player, we'll be doing a trigger event. That way when the player walks to this, it'll be saying this will be opening a trigger enter, and then checking for a tag name. And it will probably be checking for like a player tag name on it. Okay, and in addition, last thing, functions. We'll create a function for apply pickup. So we're going to create a function down inside of the code, then we're going to call it up inside of our on trigger enter, and it will actually check for what the object is, and then change the player status. For instance, if it's a grow, and the player is actually small, then it will make it so that the player can grow to the larger state. Or if it's a coin, then it'll make sure it goes to the right thing. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this. Again, be sure that you are on tutorial 11, HUD and item pickup, and we'll start in on the programming next.